I'm Silas, and there's Melissa, my wife.
Melissa, hello. We have 2 young kids who are 7 and 3, and it was time for us to start thinking about the next steps for our family.
We were looking at units. This one, we passed it walking along the road and saw it was for sale. Definitely dilapidated and had a lot of wear.
Well, it certainly wasn't a modern, livable home. It had a burst pipe underneath and some of the flooring hadn't been repaired.
And the kitchen was a cheap, nasty kitchen.
That stove might have been from the 70s too.
Yes.
It just needed a good once-over, really. Needed everything doing to it.
Welcome! My name is James Goren. I'm the owner of the Renovation team.
I'm rather detailed, possibly pedantic, and shares my views, which I quite like.
We looked at the property and we have found that it's big enough to add another bedroom, doing it smartly without reconfiguring the house too much, because the more you touch, the more you pay. So we're going to have the kitchen moving to here.
The tenants were supposed to move 3 months' time from settlement, and we got a text message saying, sorry, we're going to move out on Thursday.
Got a phone call from Silas and he says, oh, James, can you start in 2 weeks' time because the tenants are moving out.
And they started demolition work, and from then it didn't stop.
We're going to remove this one and put a straight wall.
He had obviously done work like this before, so he could give us good advice.
That's gone. Delete, delete, delete. This door we're going to remove and put a solid door, no glass.
It's been that efficient and that well organised. You don't have to manage it yourself. James does it.
Beautiful, busy day here. Busy. So let's see what's going on here. Gavin is doing a great job. Morning, Frank.
All of the team members that he had in were lovely as well, to deal with plumbers, painters, tilers.
Beautiful day.
I don't know many people or companies who manage as tightly as James does without the pressure or the pain.
Just a little bit of a paint job.
The attention to detail from James and his team was fantastic. You know, I opened the door and on the floor of Nerdable, there's a welcome mat, a brand new welcome mat put on the floor, and I was like, oh, that's really nice and really heartening. And the unit looked fantastic.
It looked like a home.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really did.
And the jewel in the crown is the kitchen. Engineering stone bench top here. Beautiful tap. So those windows are actually quite low, and we have actually built a frame and blocked half of the window, because when we put the kitchen here, we actually need that splashback. Welcome to the old kitchen, new bedroom. So the teenager can actually escape home from here.
The renovation team, very efficient, very quick. You know, you meet your budget, meet your deadline, and it's simple. 100% recommend them.
The bathroom was pretty awkward at the beginning. There was a cabinet here that had not much purpose. We're gonna buy 1.2 vanity here into the corner and having LED mirror here. Always use LED mirrors. Shower was here in the same location. All the floor was rotten, gone, just pretty much disappeared. No shortcut. Just do it properly and life is good.
It was all done, it was all clean, it was all ready to go.
I'm ready to move in there.